Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're talking about landfill leachate, which is basically the toxic liquid that drains from a landfill. You can think of it as garbage juice. It's created when rainwater or other moisture filters down through the layers of trash. Imagine a giant, gross coffee maker. The landfill full of garbage is the coffee grounds, and the rain is the hot water. As the water trickles through all that compacted waste, it picks up and dissolves chemicals and materials from everything that has been thrown away. This process creates a dark, foul-smelling liquid packed with contaminants. So what's actually in this stuff? It's a nasty chemical cocktail that can change depending on the age of the landfill and the type of trash inside it. Generally, it contains dissolved organic matter from food scraps and yard waste, which creates high levels of ammonia and depletes oxygen in water. It also has inorganic components like phosphates and sulfates. But the real danger comes from the hazardous materials we throw out. Leachate is often loaded with heavy metals like lead from old car batteries, mercury from fluorescent light bulbs and electronics, and cadmium. It also carries a range of man-made organic chemicals from discarded household cleaners, pesticides, paints, and solvents. The biggest problem with leachate is its potential to contaminate our environment, specifically our groundwater. If a landfill isn't properly sealed, this toxic liquid can leak out of the bottom, seep down through the soil, and reach underground aquifers. These aquifers are a primary source of drinking water for many communities. Contaminating them is a serious public health and environmental disaster that is incredibly difficult and expensive to clean up. That's why modern landfills are highly engineered facilities designed specifically to contain leachate. They are built with a sophisticated liner system at the bottom, which is like a giant, multi-layered, super tough plastic tarp combined with thick layers of compacted clay. This acts as a barrier to prevent any liquid from escaping. On top of this liner, a network of perforated pipes is installed. This is the leachate collection system. It works like a drain, collecting all the leachate at the bottom of the landfill. From there, the liquid is pumped out and stored in tanks before being treated. Treatment can happen on-site at the landfill, or the leachate can be transported to a specialized wastewater treatment plant to be purified before it's safely discharged. Understanding leachate really highlights why it's so critical to reduce, reuse, and recycle, and to properly dispose of hazardous waste instead of just tossing it in the trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos.